All right, welcome to the third edition of how to style your gele, your scarf, sorry, for Mother's Day weekend. Once again, my women out there, happy Mother's Day. So, fella women, we gonna jolly, jolly. So, this style, like I told you, this is easy peasy channel. You must be able to do your gele yourself, your scarf yourself, your hair gel yourself. So, the third style for this Mother's Day weekend, I'll be using this. Should I use purple? Yeah, let me use purple. It's okay, maybe I should use pink. Okay. So, for this, I just bring it. Make sure it's half each side, halfway. And for this, like you want to make a pleating, just pull it up, and just pull it up like that. For the back, just make a knot. Sorry, I'm getting tired. I just came back from work. I need to do this for you ladies out there. Trying to go out tonight. So this one I wanted to have like a V layered. So I start just to put this in. I just wanted to have like a V layer. Did you see what I did? Just that way. And for this, I hope you see it. And then you start for the first one. Just pick your gele. Let me show you again. You see the way I'm picking it? I just don't grab it just anyhow. And because I want it to have like a layered V. You see? Did you see what I did? What I'm doing? Can you see it? See this layered? So we will adjust it once we finish. So for the back, yeah, and pick this one, same way. Just bring it and it's fine at the back, right? So for the front, I want it to look slicky. I call it C-P-E-Z-P-C. You see, I'm trying to just make like 3 layers. I hope you see what I'm doing. See, it's showing as if it's coming from here. Can my video see it? You see the lines? Okay. So for this other one also, try to just pull your scarf. Just arrange. You will see it. You will see the lines. Just pick it one by one and arrange. If you do it correctly, you will see the line. And I believe it's easy. It's just easy peasy. I wish this camera can zoom in so that you can see. You see, it's as if it's coming from like that, and this top is going. You see that line? You want those lines to show. See those lines to show, just to prove that you are a stylist. You did not just rush to make your edge here. It shows that you took your time to arrange this edge here. Very stylish here. And like I said, look beautiful. It's Mother's Day weekend. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love you, love it, and I hope and I pray and I wish and I beg and I lay down and I dance and I cry and I shout and I scream and I do everything. Subscribe! I can say this enough. Subscribe, my friends, invite friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are starting together, be trying all this time, every day, weekends, Sundays, because once we start making thousands of videos, you may not be able to catch up. Now is the time to catch up with these little easy styles. So subscribe now, invite your friends to subscribe now. If you don't know what to do for Sunday, or you are going out, you don't know what style to how to style your scarf or what style you want to do, just come to this channel, look for the videos, and you will have a pretty look. Always look like a queen that you are, like a princess like that you are. You carry that royalty with pride. I'm a mother and I'm happy. I'm a girl. Obìnrin ni mí, mo pé lọ́lá. Obìnrin ni mí, máa má ṣèké. Alright, my ladies, it's easy peasy day. Enjoy your Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all women, to all ladies, to all wives, to all nieces, to everyone out there. Easy peasy. Let me hear you shout. Easy peasy. I love you.